Rapid prototyping is a key step that transforms digital designs into physical parts that can be tested and showcased fast. CNC machining is one of my most reliable and essential solutions. Unlike traditional rapid prototyping methods, CNC lets us use real engineering materials, both metals and plastics, to machine parts with severe production strength, assembly precision, and excellent surface finish. That means the prototypes can just for loads. They are ready for functional testing and fit checks without being limited by weak materials. When it comes to process planning, I choose between 3-axis and 5-axis machining, depending on the part's geometry and precision needs. For complex shapes that require multiple phase operations, 5-axis help us minimize setups and ensures tight positional tolerances. With automatic tool changes, we can complete multiple operations in a single setup, reducing error buildup from repeated loading. To keep everything consistent, I also use in-process measurements during key steps. This lets me monitor and control dimensional vibration in real time, keeping tolerances within plus or minus 0.0 millimeters and achieving surface finishes as fine as RA 1.6 micrometers. Thanks to these optimized processes, I can usually deliver high-quality prototypes in just 1 to 7 days, ready for function testing or market presentations. This speed often helps clients shorten their design validation cycle by over 30%, while cutting down on development costs, whether it's lightweight aerospace parts, medical device components, or precision assemblies for automation equipment. CNC rapid prototyping offers a fast, dependable solution to accelerate product launch and stay ahead in the market. I'm Yi. See you next time. Bye.